In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add cookie consent to your Webflow site step by step. This is essential if you care about user privacy, GDPR compliance, and building trust with your visitors. The good news is that Webflow makes this very easy using built-in apps, and you don't need to write any custom code. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Webflow tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Webflow account and go to the site where you want to add cookie consent. Make sure you're inside the correct workspace and that the site is selected. Once your site dashboard loads, look at the left-hand side panel. From here, click on Apps. This opens the Webflow Apps Marketplace, where you can add extra functionality to your site without coding. After the Apps panel opens, move your cursor to the search bar at the top. Click inside the search field and type Cookie Consent. As you type, Webflow will automatically filter and display relevant apps. From the search results, find the app called Cookie Consent and click on it. This will open the app's details page, where you can see what it does and which permissions it needs. Once you're on the Cookie Consent app page, click on the button that says Install on Site. Webflow will then prompt you to select which site you want to install the app on if you manage multiple sites. Choose the correct site and continue. Next, you'll see a permission screen highlighted by Webflow. This step is important because it shows what access the app needs in order to work properly. Review the permissions, then click on the highlighted area to proceed. After that, click on Authorize app. This allows the Cookie Consent app to integrate with your Webflow site and automatically display the consent banner to visitors. Once authorization is complete, the app will be installed, and your Cookie Consent banner will now be active on your site. You can usually customize the appearance and behavior directly from the app settings, depending on the options available. And that's it. You've successfully added cookie consent to your Webflow site in just a few minutes. This helps ensure compliance and gives your visitors a clear choice when it comes to cookies. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow and no-code tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.